Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this vintage mousetrap known as Clean Catch. You'll never see or touch the dead mouse. This is a new mousetrap. Well, actually, this package is a little dated. This mousetrap was being sold before I was born. It was an as seen on TV product. Back then, the most popular TV shows were Dukes of Hazzard, MASH, The Love Boat, The Jeffersons, Three's Company. That gives you an idea of the time frame for this trap. It received its first patent on November 23, 1976. But that earlier design had a different shape, but the same mechanism. This style of trap here received a second patent on August 12, 1980. In the fine print, it says it's safe to use around children and pets, attracts and kills mice quickly without poison, and is preferred 3-to-1 over conventional mouse traps. Let's take it out of the package and see how it works. Here's what the Clean Catch mousetrap looks like. It's made out of brown plastic. In the front here, we have an entryway for the mouse to go inside and get the bait. In the back here, we have a piece of plastic with a knob. When you pull on that, there's some tension like it's on a spring. Inside, you can see the mechanisms when the light's just right. That's attached to the plastic, that kill bar. It goes up and down. To set it, you pull the plastic till it clicks into place. That'll be dangling in the back. And the idea is the mouse wants to get the bait, goes inside, steps on the wire. This comes down with quite a bit of force. That plastic goes in, and you got him. Now I'm curious if this trap is as good as it claims. It says on the package it's preferred 3-to-1 over conventional traps. So let's go set this up in the barn with motion cameras, see if we can get some wild mice with the Clean Catch mousetrap. Last night, I set up this vintage Clean Catch mousetrap in the barn, and as you can see, the trigger toggle is in. That means we got a mouse. The yellow jackets are going after it. If you turn it this way, you can see the mouse went in there, stepped on the mechanism, and got caught. To remove it, it's very simple. You don't have to touch a dead mouse. You just pull back the plastic and give it a little flip. The trap's now set. You can put more bait in there and catch more mice. This is just one of hundreds of rodent traps that I've tested out. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.